Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Farhan Shabir. I hope you are enjoying good health. Today we are sharing the job opportunity GM audit for one of the leading company. If you want to know more about job details, eligibility criteria, perks and benefits and application process, please watch the complete video. You can also watch about the immigration, tourism, career counseling and other job opportunities abroad. So subscribe our channel. Let's discuss about the job opportunity. The job title is General Manager Audit, Industry Textile Industry and Location Cell Code. Qualification minimum CMA, ACCA, CA qualified, CA finalist or relevant qualification. And experience around 10 to 12 years of experience required in audit department of some textile or manufacturing industry. And candidates will be preferred from the textile companies. Salary range around 700 to 1 million salary plus other benefits like vehicle, fuel, medical and family accommodation. If you feel you are the best fit for this job opportunity, then apply on the mentioned email ID. The last date for this job role is 11th of February. Thank you for watching our video. Allah Hafiz.